The Princess Upgrade Program allows sailors the opportunity to bid for a stateroom upgrade. Choose between an ocean view, balcony, deluxe balcony, mini suite, and even a full suite. This is all at a price that you're willing to pay, and it's similar to how you upgrade an airline seat. When your booking is within the final payment period and is paid in full, sailors age 21 and over will receive an email invitation with a link to submit a bid for an upgrade. You can bid on any stateroom category that is above the one you are currently booked in. For cruises sailing 5 days or less, your opportunity to place a bid for a Princess Upgrade opens 70 days prior to your sailing date. For cruises sailing between 6 and 24 days, your opportunity to place a bid for a Princess Upgrade opens 85 days prior to your sailing date. For cruises sailing more than 25 days, your opportunity to place a bid for a Princess Upgrade opens 115 days prior to your sailing date. You will receive an email invitation from Princess Cruise Line after all eligibility requirements are met. Remember, sailors, you must also be opted in to receive marketing emails. You can also access the Princess Upgrade platform through links on princess.com, as well as your cruise personalizer. Do you have some extra money saved up? With Princess Upgrade, you can place bids on multiple stateroom types. However, you cannot bid on an individual stateroom type more than once. You may modify or cancel your Princess Upgrade bid up until 1 day before departure, provided that your bid hasn't already been accepted and your credit card has not been charged. Your Princess Upgrade bid will be in the same currency as your paid cruise fare. Your bid total is per sailor for the entire duration of your cruise and is based on 2 sailors per stateroom. Remember, any amount you bid for a Princess Upgrade is in addition to the cost of your original cruise booking. Here is where you want to pay attention. Your Princess Upgrade bid amount submitted will be per sailor, but only for the first and second sailors in the stateroom. This means if you split the upgrade 4 ways with 4 sailors, it's a win-win. If you happen to be sailing on the high seas solo, you will be charged 200% of your Princess Upgrade bid amount. Your Princess Upgrade bid can be accepted anytime from the moment it's submitted up until 1 day before you sail away. When your bid is accepted, you will receive an acceptance email letting you know that your upgrade will be processed, and you will receive a new booking confirmation within 2 business days. This confirmation will provide your new, upgraded stateroom location, but please remember your balance is due within 48 hours. Thanks for watching Sailors 365. Subscribe today and stay up to date with the latest breaking news.